Ayan, yan yung landmark sa entrance ng park. Ayan, Mount Arayat National Park. Welcome, Maria Sinukuan National Park. Ayan, diba? Yan, that is Admin Topsider. And guess who? Ayan. So that is the office of the DENR. Actually, this is part of the forest reserve. That is the administrative building of the park. Ayan. Here is the DENR office. Ayan, Department of Environment and Natural Resources. Ayan. This is a protected area. Gathering, collecting, and hunting of wildlife is strictly prohibited. That is the nursery. Ayan. Konti pa lang ang tao kasi ka-open lang niya. Nag-reopen lang last week. Pero ito yung entrance ng park. Mamaya na doon yung mga pools. So makikita natin na may mga tao. May mga guests na actually. So if you are nature lover, ayan, this is the right place for you. Ayan, kasi punong-puno siya ng mga halaman. Ayan, different kind of trees. And some are even more than 100 years. Actually, Mount Arayat National Park was established by President Manuel L. Quezon in 1933. Nung president pa si Manuel Quezon, aside from Malacanang, one of the barangays of Arayat, yung Camba barangay, naging ano niya, parang second Malacanang, Little Malacanang. Ayan, may mga office siya doon. Until now, existing yung ano niya, yung fountain. Ayan. Ayan. Kung nakikita niyo yung monkey eating eagle na yan, yan yung mga one of the original structures of the park. Quezon pa yan, Quezon time. Ayan. Yan yung mga more than 100 years trees, yung mga acacia na malalaki there. Kaya lang medyo nasira nung Ulysses yung park. Ayan, natanggal yung mga ibang bubong, hindi pa completely rehab yung park. So may mga pools siya, may mga cottages. Yung water ng mga pools, it comes from the spring of the mountain. Ayan, yung mga trees na more than 100 years. Ayan, acacia tree yan. So yan yung mga ano nila, yung mga small cottages, but they are air conditioned. Ayan. So the villa, small villa there. Then meron silang cottages na umbrella type, open. Ayun si Birds. May big house sila which can accommodate even at least 30 people. Ayun. Yung big house na yun. That one. Ayan, meron siyang 100 steps. Ayan, may grotto sa taas. Ito yung 100 step. There's the villas. Ayan. So mga aircon diyan yung mga rooms na yan. Here is the 100 steps. Ayan. Ayan. May grotto yan sa pinakatuktok. There. So mapapansin nyo yung mga stairs niya made of stones. Yan, Quezon time pa yan. It is an original structure of the original park. Ano to ha? This is recognized by the Commission on Culture. Ayan. Yan. Pansinin nyo, 100 steps, Doña Aurora Notatorium. Notatorium means it is a place wherein there are pools, swimming pools. Yan, yun yung dinedicate ito ni ML Quezon kay Doña Aurora. 1933. Ay, kuya. Ayan. Mamaya na tayo umakyat dyan, libot muna tayo.